Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video I'll be discussing about some of the common failures which may happen when we are doing user acceptance testing, and also going to discuss about what are the various reasons could be for user acceptance testing failures. The number one reasons for user acceptance testing could be incomplete or inaccurate requirement would be the first reason your UAT may fail because of this issue. Because if the requirements for the software or system is incomplete or inaccurate, definitely your UAT will fail, because we cannot identify any key issues or problems because there is a incorrect or incomplete requirements are there or user stories are there. This can leads to, because we cannot put the right expected results or expected outcome as part of your test cases, then because of that your UAT could be failed because of this if the requirements are not up to the mark. And the second reason would be poor communication. If there is a complete communication breakdown is there between the development team or even end users, that can also leads to a lot of misunderstanding or misrepresentation of requirements. Next reason would be limited testing time. If someone is not giving enough time to perform UAT, definitely it may leads to a lot of potential issues or problems. We may miss it, and if somebody is trying to rush or providing limited time for completing test, it may happen that there are certain defects we may get released to the production properly testing it, and that may create lot of problems in the later stages. And the next would be inadequate testing technique. If UAT is not used enough comprehensive testing techniques, even that may leads to lot of quality issues. And the next would be ineffective test planning. If we are not planned properly the UAT test plan, if you are not going to create a right test plan, if you are not buying from the stakeholders enough time, enough resources, your UAT will definitely fail. And the next aspect would be resistance to change. If end user may find resistance to change or unfamiliar with the new features or functionality, this can also lead to UAT failure, as because end users may not be willing to test certain things or provide feedback on new features, resulting in a missed defects or issues. If there is a change is there, then end user should accept that and they should provide a feedback. Otherwise this may leads to UAT failure as well. And in overall, to avoid these UAT failures, first thing is we should do a proper requirement understanding. Requirements should be clear and complete, and should have a right communication between the development team and end users. They're open and effective as well, and we should give enough adequate time as well for the given testing, and we should use the right testing technique as well with the right test plan also in place. If you having followed all these steps, definitely your UAT testing will leads to success than a failure.